Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing the devices. Put your Xbox controller in pairing mode, then open settings on your iPhone and tap Bluetooth. Once the controller appears, tap it to connect. Make sure Call of Duty Mobile is installed and updated so controller mapping works. Also, grant any controller permissions when prompted. These steps get you into the game faster, because a stable Bluetooth link and current app are the foundation you need before mapping buttons. Once paired at the system level, launch Call of Duty Mobile and navigate to Settings then Controller. You'll see layout options and sensitivity sliders. Pick a template close to your playstyle, and then tweak button mapping so jump, crouch, and aim are where your thumbs expect them. Make small sensitivity changes and save a named profile. This prevents losing your custom layout. Play a quick practice match to test inputs and adjust until movement and aim feel natural. Finish by testing in a training match and watching for lag or missed inputs. If something feels off, immediately restart Call of Duty Mobile, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or unpair and repair the controller. These quick actions often restore responsiveness. If problems persist, check for controller firmware updates via Xbox accessories on a PC or console, and try enabling airplane mode, then re-enabling Wi-Fi to reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.